In this video, let us understand how to make online shopping with digital banking. So whenever you do online shopping, we used to do the dummy banking or dummy transactions or dummy payment. But here we have a digital banking module also. So via this module, customer can have an account. From that account, so we can make the online payment. For online shopping, they can make the payment. Therefore, the balance can be viewed on both the sides. In the banking, it will be reduced, and you can see in the online shopping, the payment can be done via this particular banking. So it is a web application project using ASP.NET with C# language and backend as a SQL Server. First, let us understand the concept. So here basically the online shopping. So this project is online shopping. So with digital payment. So what is called as DigiBank. So here customer can have a bank account. So this is an external entity. So whenever you shop for the product, so let us say 1000 rupees. So you have to make the payment for this. So we generally make a dummy payment here. But now what happened? Because the banking model is available here. So you can have a bank account and then you can have a deposit here. Let's say you have 50,000 rupees. Now you need to pay 5,000 rupees payment. So here you need to generate a code for 5,000 rupees. So that code you need to enter here. So once this is entered, so therefore the 5,000 will be deducted from your account. Therefore remaining is the 45,000 rupees. And this 5,000 will go to the this online company. So therefore both the models are implemented here. So make it like the transactions will happen and then the money will be deducted from the your bank account. So if you have any project requirement, please contact us. Now let's see the demo. Fine. So here we have Solution Explorer. We can see the files here, and here is the tables. So first we'll run the project. Fine. So I'll just take out the last file name. So therefore you can come from the beginning. So here is the first page. So we go to the store admin. So here you can write admin then admin. So here are the options. So category list, product details, product list. You can able to see the products. What are the products available over here? User list, overall the users. Then there is a sales report here. What are the sold products sold? That list is there here. So now what we can do is we can log in as a customer. So you'll go to new user sign up. I'll just create a user. So we can complete the address later. So no problem. So therefore here is the 9012341234 is a mobile number. Email ID. Fine. So it's created. Now they can log in here. Fine. So before making the payment or buy anything, so what you can do is we'll go to the bank, we'll create an account there in the bank and we'll deposit the money over there. So you can go to bank module. So here is a new customer, customer ID, address. So account is 1002 and password is shown here. Actually, we're not supposed to show the password. That need to be get printed and sent to the customer. When you have to understand this, so here we are showing this. Okay. So we can go back to main page again. So here is a deposit money. So this is the bank. Okay, at the bank. Now we can see 1002. Let's say 50,000 is the deposit. Paid cash deposit. This you're supposed to do it in the bank. So check balance. If you give the any account number, it should show me the balance. So 50,000 is the balance. So any generations, it will be shown here. Fine. So now what we can do is as a customer, so we can choose one desktop here. Okay, select the desktop. So here enter the quantity, one quantity, add to cart. Then we go to view cart. So confirm the order. So order is confirmed and you need to make the 33,000 rupees. Now here is the Digi money. So like it's like a mobile, your mobile. So via mobile you can log into your account ABCD and amount, how much amount you need to pay. So generate. So Digi code is generated here. So therefore that you need to enter here 920024. Or once it's integrated, it automatically go to the shopping site. So that is done now. So you can refresh it. Now you can see that ID is this and the money is deducted. So now you can come back to your bank account and then you check this. Check. So you are left with the 17,000. 33,000 will be deducted from your bank account. Fine. So we can go back to home. Fine. So on the admin side, they can able to see the sales report. Now you can see that AA purchased desktop 33,000 rupees. The details are available in the admin side. So therefore admin also get the information. So that user purchased the product and in the bank. So that what that money is generated, I mean deducted. So then you can see the money generated list, overall generated what money. Then you have a transaction report. So if I give the number 1002, so I'll get all the complete transactions. So you have deposited 50,000, then you generated 33,000 voucher that is deducted from your account. So therefore, this is the banking module and this is the online customer module and this is the admin module. So where admin can able to sell the product, whereas user can have an account in the bank. Using that bank, they can generate the digicode and then they can apply the digicode to buy the product. So this is the main concept which is there in this project. So hope you understand the concept. So if you have any doubt, let me know what doubts you are having. And we have separate videos. So if you go to our channel, Highblix tutorials, and then if you click on videos, you can see that there are different videos here. And also like how to make ASP.NET project step-by-step explanation is also available over here. So therefore please watch that site and also please subscribe.